Toby the tram engine has a new life on the island of Sodor. He loves working at the quarry with Mavis, and he loves pulling his favorite coach Henrietta along his old tramway. After Thomas had an accident at the top station, Toby was asked to take over Thomas's work as well as his own until he was repaired. So he went to the top station to collect Danny and Clarabelle. At last he arrived at the big station. Henry was there. "Hello, Toby," greeted Henry. "Why are you pulling Annie and Clarabelle? I thought Thomas would be doing the job." "Thomas has had an accident," replied Toby, "so I'm filling in for him." "Oh, that's the guard's whistle. I must go now. Goodbye," and he puffed off importantly. Then Toby was asked to take the quarry trucks to the harbour, but when he arrived at the quarry, Mavis wasn't there. "That's funny," remarked Toby. "Mavis isn't there. I bet she's gone out somewhere." But the trucks were being troublesome. On, they laughed. This made Toby jump, and they charged forward. As they were approaching the bend on the track, Toby braked hard, but it was no good, but he went too fast around the bend. He went off the track, and his trucks crashed right behind him. "Oh no," cried Toby. Luckily, no one was hurt. Meanwhile, Thomas was fully repaired as he arrived to find Toby derailed and depressed. "I thought steam trams are meant to go on rails, not on grass," chuckled Thomas. Toby said nothing. He just looked at his buffers. That night, Thomas thanked Toby for all his hard work. "Thank you for taking Annie and Clarabelle while I'm being repaired," thanked Thomas. "It's such a big help." "You're welcome, Thomas," replied Toby. "Glad I can help." And the three engines went off to sleep.